Another Sunday cook. Today we're gonna cook beef kansi. Simple recipe, simple cook. Stay with me. Let's clean our beef shanks. Yes. Onions. We have our batuan. Just slice it in the middle. Batuan. Lemongrass. And these are our ingredients. Batuan, siling haba, lemongrass, onion, and garlic. First, let's sear our beef. Throw in the garlic, onion, lemongrass, that's the beef. Let's add water. Let's add the batuan. Medyo marami ito. Okay. Sake time. Cheers. Isa pa. Ito na. Wow! Look, oh. Panalo.
Why are you being here?
And now for the taste test. Aiden, straight from Siquijor. Welcome home.
Thank you.
It's kansi.
Did you make this in Italy?
Ah yeah! Another Sunday success. Eat na! How's it, Ati?
Beaches are nicer.